Checky, check, mic, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome back to the channel. Mark, that's me, my words. Before I do get into this very quick video, if you haven't done so already, please do hit that subscribe button down there. And if you do enjoy the content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, help me grow the channel. Thank you, troops. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before Christmas. It'll be nearly 2 years as I started this channel. We've been grinding away and slowly growing, and I'd like to just hit that mark before the end of the year. So help a brother out. If you haven't done so already, give me a quick subscribe. Anyway, here we are, troops. Monday, the 12th of September 2022. The start of a new trading week. First of all, I want to apologise for not putting anything out on Friday, but I have been taking some time out to reflect and to take in the events that are happening in the UK as we mourn the loss of our monarch, Queen Elizabeth II, and we welcome a new king, King Charles III. So a lot been going on. It's quite an emotional time for me, actually, as a veteran. I did take my oath of allegiance to Her Majesty the Queen many years ago. I am a royalist. I'm not ashamed to say that. I think it's important that it continues as well. Anyway, we digress. That's why I didn't put anything out on Friday. I was mourning the loss of our Queen. So here we are. What have we got then? Actually, it wasn't a bad week last week for our favourite meme stocks. We actually saw a bit of an uptick, as you can see here on AMC. We closed the day on Friday 12.5% up, troops, over $1 on the share. Very, very nice. Thank you very much indeed. Actually, we had 3 green days in a row. We did hit a low of just below $8, $7.98, I think it was. Yeah, $7.89 actually, before closing up on that $9.72 mark. The only concern I've got is there's a little gap. There's a little gap down there between Thursday and Friday, and I think it's that high there, which will be $8.72 versus the low there, which is $8.78. So potential there to have a gap fill, troops. Doesn't always happen, but it does happen as well. So, don't be surprised if we do see a move down to try and close that gap. Over to GME. Again, another great week for GME. What I do like about these moves, troops, is they're coming on almost no volume. Look at the volume down here. The green moves and almost really low volume. So that's positive to see as well. GameStop, very similar, had a great close to the week, finishing just under 12% on Friday in the green, $3.09 on the share. No gap there, troops, and we have broken out of this, this quite consistent downtrend here. What have we got? It goes all the way back to the middle of August, so that's nice to see, and I'm interested to see how that continues into this week, troops. So let's see. I'm excited, actually, personally quite excited. I think some good news. Earnings for GameStop, it didn't get hit quite as much as it does, which, in itself is a little bit of a story there. So, yeah, really excited. APE, again, having a few good green days there in a row. Closing up 8.22%, 42 cents on the share, $5.53 on Friday. So we'll see how this keeps going, troops. There's talk of the FTD forced closures coming into play this week. Let's see about that. Again, we don't hype anything on this channel. We just watch the price and do the technical analysis that way. So this week, what's coming out? There's some news coming out of America this week that people probably want to be interested in, and that is CPI data, which is due out. I'll just put it up here for you. So August CPI, just down here, is due out tomorrow at 8:30 a.m., so an hour before market opens, and we'll be looking for a beat on the previous month. So July did see a drop down from the high in June, and it actually dropped back down to the March level. So will that continue? 8.5% CPI was in July. We'll be looking to try and crush that down again in August as we move forward. But let's see. So I expect that to have a bit of a play on the market today. People waiting, people anticipating what the Fed are going to say. It does have a tendency to affect the market. But with that being said, troops, that's it. We go into the week as optimistic as always. holding our moon tickets, waiting for the rocket to take off. And that's it, troops. That is all I've got for you in this video today. If anything does happen during the week that I think is noteworthy, I will put out another video. But in the meantime, wherever you are in the world, as always, do take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, troops.